Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I'm actually showing you how do you book or pre-order Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So here we go. So just go to Google and just type the Samsung and just go to official website here. Just click on this website and as you can see this animation looks so beautiful here. So just scroll down. So here you will find an option of pre-book this phone. So go to pre-order now and just look at the phone animation. It's so beautiful. Just click on this. So click on this 512 GB 12 GB RAM because they are giving the same price on both of this, like 256 GB and 512 GB. It's on same cost now. So click on a no trade, and if you want to utilize some of these offers, kindly click any of those. So I'm not looking for any kind of offers now. So there are other options also they are providing. If you wish to utilize it, you can definitely utilize this. I'm actually directly going to purchase this phone. So, and this is it. This is all this phone details. It is just costing you 599 dirham. Right now I'm purchasing in Dubai, UAE. So it's costing me 5099. It was costing for iPhone 16 Pro Max also. It was the same price. So I'm going for the payment option now. So this is all this payment option. You just need to select any of your card. There are a lot of options of payments. So I'm actually holding in a MasterCard, so I'll apply this MasterCard. Apply for a MasterCard and just put all this details. I'm just putting this card details. I'm actually randomly putting some of my card details, and it might not show. Yes, it's not showing now. It is on red mark because I'm not inputting a correct account details. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.